Alright, sanibona bafethu. Igama lami uHyde yabo. Silana kuDiakonia Avenue eThekwini. Now this right here on my left is Diakonia Center. As you can see, there are a lot of African brothers and sisters that are here. Bakhala ngokuthi they want protection because they feel unsafe here in South Africa. Ngendlela yani na ngendlela yokuthi iMarch and March is making threats. Okay, so now they are here, but I feel like kumele sizobona ukuthi kwenzakalani. Why? Because they've been here for isikhathi, yabo. They've been here for days, so now sithola noma u1 or 2 ubona ozokuchazela ukuthi kwenzakalani ngaphakathi. Alright, sure.
Verify the number of people that I those that ask they are legally documented, they only rely on the word they obviously, you know that so for those who are here previously, it has been 350. More than that. But then now because once again they don't have for
Yesterday, the same leader of March and March, he was attacking us here. Yesterday, Mr. Ngizim, he was attacking us here, which is unfair. Those people are criminals. I don't know why the government should not put them in jail. And if the government, they thought that they're going to gamble with our lives because of the election, that is wrong. The international community should do something about that, because we are human. We can never gamble with our lives because we want to pass. We want to win the election. That is unacceptable. We are human beings and we need to live. We need peace of life. We're not criminals. We just repeating the asylum seekers. If there's any protection that they have for us, we really need it soon as possible. Look here, we've got murder for your children, but we don't have in the toilet. We've been sleeping here. Thank you.